Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 6.2 question number 2. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figures. Before that, we know that exterior angle property of a triangle, right? First we'll write this one, that exterior exterior angle property of a triangle, exterior angle property of a triangle of a triangle. The exterior angle of a triangle, the exterior angle of a triangle the exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the interior opposite angles. This is the exterior angle property of a triangle. The exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the interior opposite angles. Here in figure, this one, you see here, figure 1. In figure 1, we have to find the value of x. That means x plus 50. This is the exterior angle, 150 degree, right? And this is the interior opposite angle, that is x plus 50 is equal to 115 degree, right? After that, you have to find the value of x, that is 50 degree. Question figure 1, 50 degree plus x is equal to 115 degree, because 115 degree is the exterior angle. Therefore, we can say x is equal to 115 degree minus 50 degree, right? If you subtract this one, you will get 115 minus 50. That is, if you subtract, that is 5 and 6, 11, that is 65 degree. That comes to 65 degree. The value of this figure 1 is, this is 65 degree. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is here. These are the opposite interior angle 70 degree and x, and this is the exterior angle. That we can write as x plus 70. That is question number 2. Question number x x plus 70 is equal to 100 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 100 minus 70 degree, 100 degree minus 70 degree, and that comes to 30 degree. Therefore, it is 30 degree. Now question number 3. Question number 3 you see here. Question number 3 here is, this is the exterior angle, and this x and this angle is interior opposite angles. Here you see this angle is 90 degree, right? So this plus this is equal to 125 degree. Therefore, x plus 90 degree is equal to 125 degree. Or you can say x is equal to 125 degree minus 90 degree. If we subtract this one, 125 minus 90, that is 5, 10 12, 3, 35 degree. So the value of x is will be 35 degree. Right? Here you see that this value of this first angle is, it is 65 degree. The value of figure 2 is, it is 30 degree, and value of figure 3 is 35 degree. This is 35 degree and this is 90 degree. Right? Now you shall solve question number 4, figure number 4. Here you see figure number 4 is, now figure 4. Figure 4 is, here you see this figure. This figure is, this is 60 degree, this is x, this is 100, this is the exterior angle, and these are the interior opposite angles. Therefore, we can write here as question number 4 as, this is 4. It can be written as x plus 60, x plus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 120 degree minus 60 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 120 minus 60, that is 60 degree. Right? This is 60 degree. Therefore, we can write here as 60 degree. Now, question number 5. Question number 5, you see here that this is the exterior angle and this x and 30 are interior opposite angles. Therefore, you can write x plus 30 is equal to 80 degree, or x is equal to 80 minus 30 degree, 80 degree minus 30 degree, that is equal to 50 degree. That is equal to 50 degree. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is, here you see in this figure that this is the exterior angle and this angle are the interior opposite angle. Therefore, we can write x plus 35 is equal to 75 degree. Or we can write x plus 35 degree is equal to 75 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 75 degree minus 35 degree. That is 5 is 0 and 3 here 4 5 6 7 4 40 degree. Therefore, x is 40 degree. Therefore, we can write the value here also. That is this one, question number 4. Question number 4 is, it is 60, therefore it will also be 60 degree. That is 60 plus 60 is 120 degree. Here is 30, therefore it will be 50 degree, because 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. This is interior opposite angles. Here you also, in this case also, this is 75 degree, this is 35 degree. Therefore, the value of this x will be 40 degree. 40 plus 35 degree is equal to 75 degree. That means you have to use this property, that exterior angle property of a triangle. The exterior angle of a triangle is the sum of the interior opposite angles. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.